Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel today. My name is Tasha and my channel is Sunflower Tasha DIYs. So today's video we are working either on a wood round or a wreath. This is Wood Round or Wreath Wednesdays hosted by Aria and Lily. So you guys will have to check everyone out in the playlist today that joined this collaboration. And I did get a wood round done for you guys today, so I hope you guys enjoy that and get lots of inspiration from my video today. Thanks guys for watching, and let's get right into this. Hey guys, so it's Wood Round or Wreath Wednesday. Like I was saying before, Aria and Loli host this every fourth Wednesday of the month, and we try to get our videos out to you guys by 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is actually 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, my time. So for my only project I got for you guys today, I have this wood round in my stash from Walmart, I think. Yeah, this is Walmart. And I'm using some Waverly wax here and a sponge to just hurry up and get this down on the surface here. And then I also had a fourth of antique wax in there, and I added a couple squeezes of black paint and mixed that up. And now I have a black and wax paint, or like a black color and the wax mixed together to create this darker effect here. And I just smoothed that out with the same sponge. And then I just dried this up really fast with this heat gun that my husband just recently bought me from Menards. And once that's dry, I go around the edges just to kind of clean up any that kind of leaked over. And I'm going to leave that edge plain and raw. The next thing I did was take off the sticker off the back of that. And that took me a very long time to do. I could barely get that sticker off, you guys. And there I was just sanding a little bit to smooth out any rough kind of edges that I had felt. Now I have these that I picked up from Walmart for 98 cents. They are ornaments. They had a whole bunch of different kinds of these. I went ahead and ripped the paper off. The first one came off easy. The third one came off easy, but that second one, boy, I had to spray it down with water and scrape it off. So here I'm just taking off all the bits, and I will keep those hangers on those. But the next thing I'm going to do here is use this farmhouse paper pad. I thought about maybe using this one too, which I do. I end up using this. But I'm also going to use the smaller farmhouse paper pad, and you'll see what I do with that later. But now I'm just taking one of those pieces that I had ripped off of those little metal ornaments, and I'm just tracing out all three of them on the back of that paper. Now I have these trees that I picked up last year from Michael's, and I'm just going to use that farmhouse paper, like I said, to cover some of the bits and parts around the tree here. Sorry, my head's in the way there. But I'm seriously just measuring the bottom of this right now. And then I just used my scissors and just trimmed it out. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything like that. So no need to like get a ruler or anything. You can literally just eyeball this. And yeah, that's what I do for this tree. I decided on like that. And then for this one, I decided to just go ahead in the middle here and just do one of the paper in the middle here, like this. And then this last tree, I wasn't really sure what I was going to do here. So here I just measured out so I would at least have even strips. And then like how long I wanted the strips, if that makes any sense. Yeah. And then I just kind of cut a straight line the best I could. Like, no need to draw straight out lines or nothing like that. I did 3 or 4 here at first, and I think I go back and actually cut a 5th one just because I thought I was going to need it, which I didn't. So you don't have to go and cut a 5th one if you don't want. Because really, you could probably just get away with using 4 of them after I'm done. But here I go. I'm going to show you one more strip that I use. I cut. I just use this other one for reference. But yeah. Anyways, so I have this paper shredder thing from Tim Holtz. And I'm just going around the edging of all of my, all 3 of those Christmas tree papers that I had cut out from that Christmas pad that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And I love this thing. It just roughs it up. If you have scissors, you could just use scissors too. It pretty much would probably do the same thing, I'd imagine. But then I'm going to go ahead and use this paper glue here and just go ahead and go really, I like it because it leaves, it gets in on the edge really, really well. I don't know. I just really like this glue stick. And I'll just glue it down like so. And I go ahead and do that to the rest of them, but I'm not going to show you all that. Now on this one, I put the glue down here at first like this and then put this on. And I noticed when I did that, it kind of made it, I put a little bit too much glue and it was kind of really seeping out the sides. So I had to flip it over there for a second and I took it off and then patted some of that glue down onto the paper here. And then I went ahead and switched that up and just did it onto the paper like you see here. And then I just smoothed out the paper and kind of made sure it got around the edges. And then I just went ahead and ironed it. And this is what it looks like after I trimmed it down with my X-Acto knife and sanded it. Now at first I grabbed the sponge here to do this and I was like, oh, I don't want to accidentally get it all over the paper. So I went and grabbed a brush instead. And sorry, my head is in the way again. And I'm just going to, yeah, do that to the trees like you see here. And then I'm just going to use some wood glue here to adhere these down. I can't remember if I used hot glue too, but I think I only used wood glue. Yeah, just wood glue. I want to make sure that's pretty as even as I can there. And then once I was done with that, I have a little tiny bit of black jute cord left. I need to get some more of that in my stash. And I made me 3 bows, you guys. And I'm sorry I keep saying I haven't been feeling good. I'm tired and I'm not sure really what to talk about right now because my mind is just not here but here. So I have this decorative trim here, this buffalo plaid, and it has like a fancy outer edge to it. I really like this ribbon. I picked it up from Hobby Lobby when they had their sales. And I'll just go around like the whole entire thing here. And I'm using my Aleene's tacky glue to just do that. At first I used the hot glue so it would stay, and then I used that, but I'm using 3 different types of glue here because I'm not exactly sure if this will hold up because this is like metal and this is, you know, antique wax, and you know how antique wax gets, and it's kind of weird with, I know, hot glue. So I just wanted to try a few different glues here to glue this down. And I did some wood glue, some Aleene's glue. And I also used some matte gel medium, which is a very heavy glue for things like this. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of Aleene's glue where those holes were because these were ornaments before. And just cover that up with these cute little bows. I hope you guys are going to get lots and lots of inspiration today. And I wanted to let you guys know this is a playlist that Loli and Aria do every 4th Wednesday of the month, and there will be other crafters that joined them, so you will have to check out the playlist. And you guys, I will have that linked down in my description box, and I will also put it down in the comments too if I remember to see. And I wasn't sure which pick here I wanted to use on this, but I ended up going with the boxwood instead. I actually feel like I want to go back in and tuck some lamb's ears all behind this. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I do that? Or should I just leave it how it is? I don't know. I'm not really good at this part when it comes to wood rounds. But I do know that if I wanted to ever hang this on my door, I didn't want to use just hot glue and a cheap glue. Or if I ever wanted to give this to somebody or sell this or whatever this ends up happening with this thing, I want to make sure that it's good to go completely. So, I know a lot of us like to do hot glue for video purposes, but I also want to try to get rid of my things too and not just hold on to them. So some things I'd like to not just do hot glue on. And you guys, I think I am going to go back now because when I look at this, I feel like there's a gap missing right there on the right where I need to like add a little bit more of the greenery. So I think I'm definitely going to do that too. It's always funny, like when we're not feeling good and we're trying to rushing through things, and then we go back and we look at it and we see like, oh, well, maybe I could do this or that to it. And I feel like I need to add just a little bit more. I don't know, maybe it's the lamb's ears. But that's it, you guys. I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like everyone and subscribe to them in the playlist too, you guys. I want to show you, look what I made. It's all done and complete and hung up in here in my kitchen for the reveal, and I absolutely love how this turned out, you guys. Yes, so if you guys want, you can go ahead and tap my picture here, or you can go ahead and watch some of these cute mini Christmas things that I have created if you haven't been watching it already on my channel. It's so cute, and I love it, and I hope you guys get lots of inspiration from it. And yeah, we'll see y'all next time.